Thank you for calling Roswell Infiniti. For sales, press 1. For service, press 2. For parts, press 3. And for the reception... Thank you for calling. A service representative will be with you shortly. If you'd like... Thank you for calling service. How may I help you?
Hey, how you doing?
Good evening.
I'm good. I was supposed to come drop my car off to get my car checked on today for my taillights. But this morning when I tried to start it, my car wasn't starting.
Okay.
Is there anything am I supposed to do? Like, do I wait or?
One moment.
Okay. People text at the wrong time sometimes.
Thank you for calling Roswell Infiniti. You've reached the desk of Mark Crutchfield, and I am away from my office right now. If you need to make an appointment, please dial 0. Otherwise, leave a message, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for calling.
After the tone, please record your message. When finished, you may hang up to deliver the message or press pound for more options.
Bro. Let's see if we start It's definitely the starter, bro. Fuck. Look at all the lights. So y'all, as y'all can see, man, this shit is not clickbait, bro. Saturday, I didn't record me going to the Infiniti dealership, but yes, I went back, bro, regarding my last video. But I went back, bro, and basically they told me on Monday I have to bring my car back to get a diagnostics. And when I bring my car back, they was gonna give me a car to drive back home, you know what I'm saying? And I was kind of excited for that shit, bro. So tomorrow this morning when I wake up, I try to start my car, and that's what happened, bro. You know what I'm saying? I went Saturday. If you stay in Atlanta, you know it was raining Saturday. The whole Saturday it was raining, bro. Saturday it was raining. So when I got home Saturday, I stayed home. I didn't do nothing for the rest of the day. Sunday come, I didn't do nothing the whole Sunday. I didn't go nowhere because I didn't want to spend no money. Because I knew if I would have went out, I would have spent some money. So Monday come, I try to start my car, and the shit not starting, bro. So Quan on the way. These people not answering the phone and shit. They don't know what the hell to do. So my mom told me to call them because they can come tow it up there, but I don't know, bro. That shit like 45 minutes away, bro. I ain't gonna cap y'all, bro. I'm gonna get rid of this car. I ain't gonna cap. I know y'all probably looking like it's the starter, it's the battery, it's the alternator, it's one of the, you know what I'm saying? We gonna find that shit out, but I'm not finna keep dealing with this shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna find something that's, you know what I'm saying? Cause any other car, this shit can happen on it too, bro, but I don't know what the fuck going on, bro. They mess with my wires or something. They keep saying it's my wires in my system, something going on. They keep saying when they installed my Apple CarPlay, the wires was fucking pressed in everywhere and shit, bro. And I ain't got time for this shit, dog. I just want something that I can have fun in, drive in, get oil changes, take care of. I don't beat up this car, you know what I'm saying? Out of all people, my taillights go out due to a wiring problem or some shit. You feel what I'm saying? Like, so yeah, man, I ain't gonna cat to y'all, bro. I'm building my credit as we speak, you know what I'm saying? Building my credit and this shit. And I ain't gonna cat. I'm gonna get a Q50, bro. Either I'm gonna get a Q50 or a G37. But more than likely, I'm gonna get a Q50 for sure.
What's up?
But this shit.
I'm just, man, my shit loud, man. It's a downpipe. Hey, you seen that comment when somebody said to you? You got bad luck with cars.
I do, bro.
Oh, bro. I was just thinking this shit. Marshall
I don't know what the
told me,
fuck.
like, it's either you ain't got your car or I ain't got my car. It's always
What
up.
are you talking about?
You said that shit to me, bro. You said it's either you ain't got your car or I ain't got my car. Cause when I had my when I just got my shit, you ain't have a you just sold your Infiniti, bro.
Bro,
Then when I cracked,
finna-
what's the name? When the UPA hit me from the back, that's when you just got your shit, bro. I'm telling you. And got
this
that little
shit
Muhammad
crazy.
just fucked up his shit.
I seen that shit, bro.
Hey, shit. Hey, my shit ain't going no more. I'm telling you, bro. It ain't going out no more.
They get one of these.
You just said you starting to die down on Mopar.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck about these hoes no more. But nah, that shit be funny hell. Like I was just driving past, and the nigga with the GT500, he put the thumbs up by my. That shit was cool as hell.
Nigga.
Shit, it might be your alternator, or you got down defibrillator, or you got down starter.
See, look, it ain't even clicking no more, bro.
Gonna be real, my shit. Nah, yeah, that shit ain't even getting no power. But
It's not.
Oh, that big. It gotta be the battery. I don't know. Hell, I'm talking about.
You want me to take that bit off and put it back in?
That shit ain't gonna work.
what the hell?
Not take the battery. I'm talking about, you know, like the cables.
Hold on.
Damn, man.
Let me get a thumbnail, man. This shit crazy.
Let me get that
This shit not clickbait. Alright, so look. Let's see it.
Every time. I told him I got my ass beat. That shit was so funny.
You nigga be lying.
So funny.
You nigga be lying.
I
Like,
got my ass.
hey, but look though. Let's see. You know what I'm saying? You see that, bro? You hear that?
You got a little power. You need some more.
It's not supposed to sound like that, bro.
But when he just working?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Why is it?
You talking about tell him.
Just start
every
kicking.
time.
That bit might cut off. Nah, I'm talking about that.
The fuck?
Kick that.
You kick it.
Nah.
I don't know what's wrong with this
Maybe
shit, bro.
Maybe they, no, this is. Maybe they been need some bleach.
He started pointing on shit. He's about maybe this.
I think he gonna
Man, I might go ahead, cause I ain't gonna cut
Goddamn
too.
car part. This nigga said bleach.
They probably need some bleach in that.
Shit, they give him your shit.
Bro,
They give him your battery.
it's not the starter, bro.
What is it, nigga?
Alternator.
I was finna say Audemars.
It's probably the alternator.
Damn,
Oh, this your
bro.
alternator dent.
You left your
They
lights
fucked
on?
up my waters. I said water.
You left your lights
My
on last night?
wires. I didn't leave nothing,
my mom
bro.
told me keep
Bro, I
going to
didn't
fucking,
drive yesterday, bro.
Keep going to the Infiniti and got them by Cumberland, bro. Cause
No. What they did was when they did diagnosis, right? They were checking my wires, so they was probably messing with that shit. Probably messed it up some more. But nah, for real though,
This shit lame as fuck, bro. Really, like,
I can't wait to hear the jokes later.
what?
Nigga ain't got no car to drive.
Damn.
I mean, I do. I get my.
Flies out there.
I do. I get my shit fit, but I'm just saying, like,
yeah.
fuck that shit. I'm not going to get no tail light fit
Oh
either.
God,
Bro.
bro, what the fuck going on, man?
Bro, the tail light still don't work. Bro. Oh my god. I think my alternator bad. It can't be the. It can't be the starter, cause the starter wouldn't be doing this. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, this is crazy.
Woo!
Life is crazy.
I'm finna just get some newer shit.
Life is
Q50.
crazy.
I'm going Q50.
Q50.
You think so?
You can fit in that motherfucker. The whole gang can be in the back.
Yeah, bro, you trade this shit in, bro. Go Q50.
I'm getting a
G37.
Q50. I'm not getting a Q37.
What, that shit?
I think I'm gonna get a 4-door
I told you to get a BRZ. What you say?
and drop that
Yeah,
bitch.
I'm telling you to get a BRZ. What you say?
Nigga, when the BRZ do
What's wrong with the
something?
BRZ? The BRZ.
Oh, this shit way more reliable. You got this weak ass. Yeah, come on.
I might get a BRZ. I don't know.
Huh. Nah, nigga, don't. Nah, bitch. Fuck
Shit,
wrong with that? You gonna
Alright, so
upgrade,
what?
nigga. You gonna get higher, nigga.
Yeah.
It ain't
Come
over,
on,
but like,
Oh yeah, I can't go from V6 to God.
4-cylinder. Come on now.
What the fuck?
I got a photo.
I had punched that hoe. You see this shit? I'm talking about that hoe ass nigga.
Nah, that's on camera, bro. He punching me up. He punching me up. Hey man, let's rock this shit,
I
man.
had the stars in my
Mhm.
ceiling. You know, like how like
Damn.
this shit be poking from my ceiling because I got
You
the
beat
stars.
her ass, bro.
Nah, like I
What she do?
wanna beat your ass, bro. How about?
Hey, nah. I wish I was recording today when I beat this nigga ass at the court.
But you did not beat my ass. I beat the nigga Marshall ass so bad. I had the nigga in the corner, ball.
See, bro, anytime something bad go happen, we just be joking and shit, bro.
I wasn't like, I ain't finna get hit. And like, I ain't gonna say nothing.
What do you got hit?
That nigga would have flew him to my car.
The camera just fall. You just see a nigga just fall and shit.
Hold my keys, bro. I hate this car, bro. There y'all have it, man. Shit still fucked up, bro. But I ain't finna do too much, bro. I'm gonna cut to you. I'm gonna just get a new car, fix it when I'm ready or something. I don't know. See if it's the alternator or not. Oh shit! Did y'all see that? Oh, the keys in my pocket. I'm getting a new car, bro. Cause I was sitting there. No cap.
Alright, y'all. I'm finna get a girlfriend.
I was just talking about getting a girlfriend too, bro.
I got all. Like, I need a bitch that can spoil me though. You know what I'm saying?
I need a. Never mind. I don't think that shit working.
What? You're not even recording that. Nigga ass is hot.
Say gang, I don't know. I never used it.
Hey, you got a haircut? Why you clean and fuck, boy?
I smell it. Or that shitty ass cologne. Or is it that shitty ass cologne? That nigga cologne.
Turn that shit off. Turn that shit off.
What?
What is wrong?
That nigga trying to doodle on this.
Hey, I don't hear it leaking no more.
All right, let's go
I
get
still need to go get a new tire.
Yeah. You got Addy?
Huh?
He said Addy in the group chat.
Yeah. I got it.
Say I'm getting a Q50, man. Sometime around next year, cause this year's finna be over with. So yeah, y'all, the G35 is over with. No more G35, boy. No more none of that. That shit over with. I ain't finna keep fucking with that shit, bro. Why isn't that shit fucked up? It's over with.
Just get a Hellcat.
Haircut? Anyone want me to get a haircut so bad?
But it's like the most fun car you can fucking.
Nah, this shit is fun, but I don't know. I'm going Q50 out, man. I ain't even gonna cap to you, so.
That nigga gone.
Alright, y'all, it's a whole nother day, man. Excuse the quality, you know what I'm saying? I'm on my phone. My bullshit ass phone, you feel what I'm saying? But that's because my camera's finna die. And it's currently raining, you feel what I'm saying? And I don't wanna take my camera out there. My $2,000 camera setup, you feel what I'm saying? I ain't trying to risk it. But y'all, man, it's a whole nother day. I called the tow truck, you know what I'm saying? Now, I'm pretty sure it's my starter, but if it's not, I know it's my starter though, bro. I ain't gonna cat T, cause the same shit happened on my last car. My car was starting up slow certain days, you feel what I'm saying? And then just finally went out. I ain't pay no mind to it, you know what I'm saying, until it went out. So, getting it towed to Midas, you feel what I'm saying? So they can replace my starter. They said if it's not done today, they'll have it done tomorrow morning, you know what I'm saying? So I need it done ASAP, but my tail light's still not gonna be fixed. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm gonna ask them about that shit tomorrow when I go pick up my car. Cause the Infiniti dealership, they got down bullshit and shit, bro. Waiting on the tow truck, the nigga told me he was 1 to 3 minutes away, bro. But I don't see this nigga, bro. And it's raining. My baby leaving me, man. He's leaving me. That shit kind of low. Damn, man. She gonna get fixed though. This big ass tow truck. I got a titty in my tire somewhere. See that? Tail lights wanna be all out and shit. Damn. Motherfucker on the jet for real. So yeah, y'all, it's finna get towed away. I'ma update y'all. I'm finna get this thumbnail real quick. So y'all stay tuned, man. Like the video, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, cause that's when I'm update y'all. So yeah, man, stay tuned.